Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Wise account to your Interactive Brokers account step by step. First, open your Wise app or log in on the website. On the home screen, scroll down under the account section, tap Send Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to select same currency. For example, choose USD if you're funding your Interactive Brokers account in dollars. Tap Add Recipient. On the next page, select Bank Details. Then choose Myself. Now you'll need your Interactive Brokers account details. Log in to your Interactive Brokers account and copy your account number, routing number, and any other bank details provided for funding. Go back to Wise and enter those details carefully. Double check that everything matches exactly with what Interactive Brokers provided. Even a small mistake could cause a failed transfer. Once all the details are correct, tap Confirm. Wise will process the transfer, and your funds should arrive in your Interactive Brokers account based on normal processing times. And that's it. You've now successfully funded your Interactive Brokers account using Wise. This is a great method if you want lower conversion fees and a smooth way to move money for your trading and investing. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.